YouTube for real estate agents. I know it's a bold claim, but I truly believe that YouTube is the #1 lead generation platform for growing your real estate business. And in this video, I'm going to tell you my 3 favorite reasons why I love YouTube, and I'm going to give you some tips for starting or improving your YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Melanie. I'm a top realtor at my brokerage, EXP, and my favorite thing to do is to help realtors, team leads, and brokers just like you grow their business, build wealth for themselves, and have the life that they want. So thanks for tuning in and letting me do what I love most, which is helping people. And if you find some value from this, please like or comment and subscribe to this channel so that more realtors, team leads, and brokers can see it and I can get this message out to more people. And without further ado, let's dive in. Now, the first reason why I love YouTube is that everything is evergreen. This term comes from the evergreen trees, and it means basically that your content will live forever. That means that if you make a video, why should I use a realtor in 2010, someone could be Googling or searching on YouTube, why should I use a realtor in the year 2040, and they'll find your video, they'll watch it, they'll like it. If you do it well, you will have the right call to action and links and stuff. They can find you and they will hire you from that one video that you made 30 years prior. So in my opinion, you're really getting the most bang for your buck because you're putting in, yes, it takes more time to make a YouTube video, but you're putting in the time initially and then you're getting basically residuals on that video for as long as YouTube is in existence. Now, if you have seen my other videos, you know that I love all forms of social media. I'm really big on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. I have a ton of videos. I'll link them up there of all of my other ones. Those are great, but the lifespan of a post on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok is really 24 to 48, maybe 72 hours if you're lucky. Whereas on YouTube, like I said, it is evergreen. So that is the #1 reason why I love YouTube. The second reason why I love YouTube is that it is such a stronger connection with your audience. Again, I'm going to compare this to something like Instagram or Facebook, where I can post a picture and type my caption and they get to know me a lot. And if they follow me for a long time and I'm posting every single day or every other day, they really get a feel for who I am as a person. But in this video right now, you're basically sitting in my office with me. We're sitting at a table, just having a chit chat. You can hear my voice. You can see my facial expressions, my hand movements. It feels very genuine. It feels very authentic, and you are more likely to build a stronger connection with me from watching just even a 30-second clip of me than if you read 100 of my Facebook posts, because there's so much more of me in this. Now, if you know that the best way to get clients is to build that connection. People work with those that they know, like, and trust. And you're building all 3 of those things in a YouTube video much faster than you are in any other platform. So the more you can really connect with your audience, the more likely they will be to use you as a realtor, or to refer you to their friends, or just to build a connection with you. #3 is YouTube's popularity. Now, there are billions of users on YouTube, and YouTube is actually the #2 search engine after Google. Google and YouTube are owned by the same person, and so if you search something on Google, a lot of times YouTube videos will come up, and video is becoming even more and more popular as time goes on. So I would not be surprised if in the future YouTube is the #1 search engine. You know, there's a lot of people that they want to learn, how can I install a light bulb, or how can I change my tire? And Googling that just won't give you the same results. I want a YouTube video where I can have a close-up on that car. They can show me exactly how to turn the wrench or whatever. A lot of other people feel that way when they want to learn something new. On a YouTube video, I can have screenshots come up. I can show you exactly how to move my mouse and stuff to make a background appear on Canva, which I do have videos of that. It's so much more interactive, which means that if you have a question, which most people are coming to YouTube with a question, you will get a faster answer and a better, more thorough answer. So #3 is just the depth of the content. More people are going to YouTube. You have a higher likelihood of getting your content viewed. And of course, the more viewers you have, the more people you can connect with, the better your content is, the more people you can help, and it all just goes up from there. So just a couple quick tips, whether you are starting a brand new channel or you already have a channel and you want to improve it. My #2 biggest piece of advice for anyone wanting to grow their YouTube channel is #1, go for consistency and really progress over perfection. I think the best piece of advice that I got from one of my mentors who taught me how to build my YouTube channel was just assume that your first 100 videos will suck. Now, that might seem disheartening, but it was really liberating for me because I'm someone that is a high achiever and I can sometimes be a perfectionist. And he basically gave me permission to just show up and know that I wasn't gonna feel comfortable on camera. I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know even how to position my camera so that the lights looked good and my office looked good. And you can go back and see my first videos. I'm shy, I'm weird. You can see the evolution of my studio and the background and the different things. I have my globe and my hats and whatever. You can see that evolution. And if you look at any creator on YouTube and you sort their channel by oldest to newest, I promise you that they have been improving their skills, because that's just how humans work. The more you do something, the more you practice, the better that you'll get. So don't expect yourself to be, a movie star with your first even couple hundred videos. And you just have to know that everyone has to start somewhere, and don't let that fear of imperfection or that fear of not being good on camera stop you from ever becoming good on camera, because the only way really to get good is to practice. So just let yourself have that beginner's mindset. Remember that even babies need to crawl and fall over before they walk. So just get your videos up. And that leads me into my second piece of advice, which is don't worry about the vanity metrics really ever. That's my number one piece of advice for social media. Social media platforms are addicting. They want to keep us on there. So we're always looking for how many likes, how many comments. But some of my least viewed YouTube videos are videos that actual clients reached out to me from. And some of my most viewed YouTube videos, I didn't get any actual leads from that video. So just remember that it's not always about how many likes, comments, or subscribers you have. It's about how many people that you're actually reaching and connecting with. So that's kind of a bridge, but similar to the first one, don't worry in the beginning about getting subscribers, about getting likes, about getting comments. Your videos in the beginning are just for you to practice. And of course, you want to help as many people and connect with them, but don't beat yourself up if you don't, because remember, this is a long game. Real estate is a long game. And these videos will help you in your whole career. You don't need to get the ROI from them immediately. So in the beginning and later on, don't stress yourself out about vanity metrics, subscribers, likes, and comments, although they do help. Like I said, the more that you subscribe and comment and put the thumbs up on this video, it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is valuable content. And since my number one goal is to just help as many people as possible, it does help me get my content out to more people. So I'm not gonna say that it's not important to have subscribers, but it's not the most important thing. Remember your goals, and your goals can change. Maybe in the beginning, your goals are to just get a YouTube channel up and feel more confident on camera. And then later, your goals can be, okay, I want to help get 3 clients from my YouTube videos. And then that's your goal, and work on that goal. The intention that you put behind the videos will change as you evolve as an agent and as your channel evolves. So like anything, really consistency is everything. Stick with it. I like to batch a bunch of videos so I have extras. For example, if you get sick or emergencies come up, you have a super busy week with a listing that is going wrong. We've all been there. Try to build a schedule for yourself and batch some content first to have it be ready. I'll do another video with YouTube ideas, but you can look at my channel and see what videos I have done. This is another great piece of advice for all forms of social media. Find people that are doing what you want and have the success that you want, and reverse engineer it. So there are a lot of tools that you can use to see what keywords are ranking, but you can also just find channels that you like and see what videos they have done and then make your own version. For example, I have a video why I moved to Austin, Texas, because I want to connect with people that are moving to Austin, Texas, and I want people to, know me. It's kind of an intro video. So you can make a video why I moved to whatever city you live in. Even if you grew up there, why I moved to that city, and then in the video you can tell your story about how it's so amazing that you never wanted to leave. So the 3 reasons why I think YouTube is the best: it's evergreen content, it's a great way to build rapport and connection with your viewers, and it's everywhere. A lot of people are searching for YouTube videos, so it's a great way to rank your SEO and just get found. And my tips for starting: just remember, have a beginner's mindset, don't be too hard on yourself, and go for consistency and progress over perfection. As always, I'm just here for you. I'm cheering for you. I believe in you. If you ever have any questions, all my socials are below. Please find me, reach out to me, share your success stories with me, share your YouTube channels. I will subscribe, I will support you. That is my number one joy in life. So remember, you are all kings and queens, and abundance is your birthright. I'll see you in the next video. Have the best day yet.